This is an efficiently operated architectural space. This is a human-centric working environment. This is a splendid representation of corporate image. This is a satisfactory project balancing cost and benefit. This is an assured project with considerate full process service. This is the dedication of Wiskind's craftsmanship and sincerity. Innovation and pursuit of change are the corporate spirit of Wiskind. It is the inexhaustible driving force for creating customer value. From steel construction, building envelopes, and architectural decoration to clean rooms and cold chain infrastructure. Through exploration of cutting-edge technologies, deep collaboration within the industrial chain, Wiskind continuously innovates, building a comprehensive and diverse range of industrial building systems, providing customers with applicable, forward-looking, and integrated solutions, meeting customers' demands for high-quality factories. Advanced prefabricated construction technology helps customers achieve goals of green environmental protection, convenient construction, material savings, and cost reduction, helping customers create a beautiful environment, enhancing corporate image. Wiskind products are a perfect fusion of modern technology and architectural aesthetics, giving architectural space a unique aesthetic appeal. To better serve customers, Wiskind strives to build a robust and flexible intelligent delivery system. Relying on digital technology, it closely connects the four major stages: design, production, logistics, and construction, achieving end-to-end value stream integration, full process management and service guarantee, covering all project phases. Operating institutions located across various regions provide localized services for customers. Mutual success through sincerity and integrity. Wiskind regards customers, employees, and supply chain partners as a life community for value co-creation and benefit sharing. Advocating respect and trust for employees. Stimulating employees' vitality and wisdom. Closely integrating talent development with corporate growth. Since its establishment in 1978, Wiskind has deeply cultivated the field of industrial construction, making due contributions to the development of national strategic emerging industries, the transformation and upgrading of manufacturing, and the promotion of new quality productive forces. Today, Wiskind's products and services reach over 70 countries and regions worldwide, winning acclaim and respect from domestic and international clients, partners, and all sectors of society, dedicated to the convenience and prestige of our customers. We uphold our commitments. We are Wiskind.